So, but you can see by the title and the thumbnail, obviously, you already know what happened. And what happened was not my fault, but I still got the ticket for it because I hit the guy. So technically, it's my fault because I still hit him, but it wasn't my fault that I hit him. But anyways, what happened was, I'm okay by the way. So what happened was this guy in a Frontier, I was behind him for like a couple miles now, nothing happening, right? We were in traffic, heavy traffic, and there was this one point in time that I don't know what happened, if he was looking down his phone or what, but we were going 30 miles an hour or like 20. That's how fast we were going. And I don't know where he decided to step on his brakes, like literally slam on his brakes, like his whole car went forward. And I had time, you know, to move out the way, but to my right, a freaking truck was coming and I didn't want to die, so I ran into him. And this is what happened. Right there. Yep, that is where his tow hook went into the radiator. But the car is still fine. It leaked all of its radiator fluid, obviously, because the radiator zipped. This got disconnected, but it's still mint, which the clips just broke. The hood is still latched on. That's why I can't get it open and show you what the damage is, if there is any damage to anything else. This is a little window for peeking. See? Headers are like right there, and the radiator right here is pushed all the way up to the headers. Yep. But this is fine, suspension is fine, everything is fine. The only thing is that I might need a new rad support and, you know, new radiator and stuff in the front. And who is calling me? Oh, okay. Guess nobody's calling me, just Snapchat. But today we're gonna cut the hood off and see if there's any like real damage that happened. So that's gonna be fun. We'll be back. Alright, we're gonna do this now, and hopefully we still have all our body parts by the end of it. And I put on these tiny gloves because it's cold out and I can't feel my fingers. And I was hoping this provided some insulation, which it does, but I still can't feel my fingers. But anyways, here we go. Well, got the hood cut off. There we go. Got it. Okay, now this is the annoying latch part. Alright, so this is the damage. Well, everything looks perfectly fine here, right? Her headlights got effed. She's gonna be mad about that because she liked those headlights. But everything is literally pushed back to the headers, as you could see. But everything else looks perfectly fine. Nothing was leaking. Only the antifreeze. Everything is fine so far. Nothing bent over here. Nothing. That's why it still turns on perfectly fine. But this little latch right here doesn't want to unlatch. And I don't know where the hell the little latch cable's at. Somewhere over here. Oh, is that it? No. I'm probably gonna try to take a crowbar, which probably won't work. 99% won't work, but is that the latch cable? Oh, here's the latch cable. You can't see it, but I could see it. It's like right here. Alright, let me try to unlatch it. Hold on. Without cutting myself. Oh my god, that is sharp. Bro, my hands are freezing. But anyways, hood didn't want to come off the latch. Right here. See, it's still like latched on. So yeah, I just cut the little latch part off the hood, which is right there after being bent into 7 different pieces. Anyways, after that, this is a better look into what happened. See? Engine's not cracked, or, you know, nothing wrong that I could tell. Still fires up perfectly fine. But this is the damage. This got pushed in quite a bit, and the header stopped it. Now we just need to find a way that we could take the rad support off and weld in a new one, or do it myself, or take it to a shop, and then this car will be up and running again. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, help out the channel. Remember, let's try to get this year to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. I know it's a big task, but I know we could do it. If I keep pumping out videos and you keep watching them, we could definitely get there. So, and by the way, this is not gonna pay by itself, so, you know, need that YouTube money. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm not here for the money. It's because I actually enjoy this. I'll see you guys later. And remember, if you want anything to happen, just make it happen.